At TLM, our motto is that we like to ensure that our users of our systems work smarter, not harder. And we also try and listen to the people that use our system. So one of the teachers that uses our systems quite a lot, Rick Barnes, said that what he ideally needed was something to be able to speed up the process of marking in the classroom. So we gave it to our developers specification. They came up with this quick assessment method. So on the left hand side here we have a mobile device. This is an emulator, so obviously it's not the real thing, but just to show you through this video. On the right hand side here we've got a browser with a student logged in, learner 193282. So first of all, teacher logs in to the system, and you can see there's the groups automatically. Now what's happening is the system, the interface here is acting as a proxy between the two systems, and it only does that for the duration of this process. So imagine you're in a class, one of the students says, I've finished my piece of work, I think it's ready for assessment. Rather than saying to them, well, put it in and hopefully at the end of the day if I remember I'll take a look at it, you can do it there and then in the classroom. So they go to their evidence page, they're going to provide some new evidence for you. What you need to first of all is go to the group on your mobile device, look for the student. You can only do it one student at a time, as I mentioned. Obviously in a classroom this is sort of on a one-off basis, you wouldn't do everyone at once. You allow that student to submit some evidence and then you wait, you go back to the student, and all this is happening while you're talking to them and discussing their work. So they provide a new piece of evidence, give it some sort of nominal information. This is an evidence page on our learning site, which is the evidence management system. You can see down the bottom then they have to select which unit it's for. This one I'm doing as an example in a tutor group, so doing some teamwork stuff. They then select criteria, so they're discussing how their team might complete a particular task. So they choose that, they add the selected criteria. Now that's ready to go, and they then save that piece of work. And what they do now, you can see on their interface, you're still there helping them. They've uploaded a piece of work as that part of that assignment. They're going to mark it as they think secure, and you're going to agree to that. And they click now, assess now. Now that's taking it over to your side of things. So you go over to here on your mobile device, you get the submitted work, and you see offline total work, quick access, and you've actually approved it for them, and it's all been done. You can now move back, and that's done. Thank you very much. And then the system will log out, and they can't submit anything else, but it's all been assigned and assessed. And if you now log on to your actual mark book, where the actual data is stored, you'll see that that has now been graded. That particular criterion has received a secure mark, and it's been approved by you, and the student can move on. And the evidence is all in the management system, so if you want to go in and look at it and track what's been done, all the evidence is there. You then log out of the mobile phone, and that's done. You move on to the next student.